Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to make a rubber band electric guitar with a little guitar amplifier, a piezo contact mic, quarter-inch guitar cable, a couple of alligator clips, a clipboard, some rubber bands, and some tape. Let's get started. The first step is to take the guitar cable and some wire strippers, find the halfway point, and cut it in half. Then you're going to want to strip away just the outside rubber insulation from the guitar cable. Underneath the insulation, you should find a bunch of tiny wires surrounding an inner wire which has its own rubber insulation. So we can bundle up those outer wires, strip off the rubber from the inner wire, and those are the two parts of the signal we'll need to make our sound. The next step is to connect alligator clips to each of the two wires we've exposed. Before we solder them, let's make sure the wires are solidly attached to the alligator clips themselves. Then, once we're ready to solder, we don't have to hold the parts. We can just add the solder to the soldering iron and melt together the wires onto the alligator clips. Before we tape up our connections, we're going to plug it in to make sure it works. So we'll plug the alligator clips into each end of the contact mic, turn on the amp, and it works. So now, it's very important that the two alligator clips can never touch each other. If they do, that's called a short circuit, and the signal won't get to the amplifier. So what I did is use some electric tape, taped up each alligator clip individually, and then taped the bottoms of the alligator clips together so they could never touch each other. Now that we have the electronics working, it's time to make our instrument. So we use a rubber band, stretch it over a clipboard, and see what it sounds like. Sounds good, but not that loud. So now we can add the contact microphone. I tape it onto the back of the clipboard with the tape covering parts of the wire so they can't be separated from the piezo. Then we take the amplifier, our alligator clips, and we clip the contact mic. Doesn't really matter which wire goes where, as long as they're connected. We have an electric guitar. We can see what different kinds of sounds we can make by pushing down on the rubber bands. Now if we don't use the clip part to raise up the string, it doesn't vibrate that well. So we can use a stick to raise the string off of the clipboard. And if we move the stick, changes the sound. Then you can see if you can make an instrument that can play a song like Mary Had a Little Lamb. Thanks for watching. Have fun rocking out, and you can check out more projects like this and find my contact information at soundscience.education.